We have already communicated to you how the class proceeds, the times, and all that. And you know the first class is for free, where you can join and see if the class is suitable for you. So mainly, මට කියන්න ඕනේ communication පැත්තෙන් you have to answer all the questions. If you have a doubt or a question while I'm teaching, you can use the raise the hand option, and then I will give you the opportunity to speak. But if you have a question when I'm not teaching, you can just unmute and ask it. Or if you're a little shy to talk, you can, of course, anytime put your question or doubt in the chat box. Okay. And for like simple questions, you can just answer with a thumbs up, right? So I hope that's all clear to all the newcomers. I think we have Pumidu and Shashi Prabha, right? You guys are new today, no? Okay. So exercise 13.2. B. G. Let me get the question to the whiteboard. We have finished that lesson. So today we'll do the 14th lesson. Okay, when solving in algebraic, now in grade 11 also, when I'm doing algebraic fractions in grade 11, something that I have been noticing is that grade 11 කට්ටියට මතක නැහැ දැන් grade 11 මේ grade 10 කරපු ඒවා. And that cannot be. So I want you all to properly then. When you learn it in grade 10, you have to constantly revise. Otherwise, you're going to forget in grade 11. Right? Because all of these things you will be using in grade 11 also. මේ ඔක්කොම grade 11 වල මේ විදිහටම එනවා but ටිකක් advanced විදිහට. So for an example, lesson number 15 is equations, right? So we'll be learning it in grade 10 and an advanced version of it we'll be learning in grade 11. Then algebraic fractions we're learning now, and again another advanced version of it we are learning in grade 11. ඊට පස්සේ ඔය quadratic expressions ඒව හැම අපි ටිකක් advanced ඒවා grade 11 වල ඉගෙන ගන්නවා same lesson එකේ. That is why you need to have a very good foundation about all of these lessons. Okay. Right. So what is the first step to solving this equation? Sorry, solving this fraction. What is the first step?
Factorizing.
Factorizing. And how would you factorize? We have learned this already, no? So first I'm taking the denominator. So one of my denominators is p squared plus p minus 6. Then factorize karna part I will not teach you today because we already learned this previously, right? P squared plus p minus 6. P plus 3 p minus 2. Okay. Then the other denominator is p squared plus 5p plus 6. So p squared plus 5p plus 6. That goes like p plus 3 p plus 2. So now we factorize the two denominators, and what is the next step now? What is the next step? Correct. I'm getting the answers in the chat box. We get the LCM. LCM එක බලන්න, here p plus 3, here p plus 3, so highest power is p plus 3. Then here p plus 2. And here p minus 2. So this is my LCM. LCM එකම තමයි ළමයි common denominator එකත් වෙන්නේ. So remember the LCM here, p plus 3, p plus 2, and p minus 2. So I shall move it here. And now that becomes my common denominator. P minus 2. Now, if you look at the first fraction, මෙතන denominator එකේ තියෙන p squared plus p minus 6. p squared plus p minus 6 කියන්නේ p plus 3 p minus 2. So ඒ කියන්නේ එයාට p plus 3 and p minus 2 තියෙනවා. හැබැයි p plus 2 නෑ මෙයාට. එහෙනම් මම මෙයාව multiply කරනවා p plus 2 ගෙන්. So මෙයාවත් multiply කරන්න ඕනේ p plus 2 ගෙන්. If you look at this denominator, p squared plus 5p plus 6, we get p plus 3, p plus 2, right? So p plus 3, p plus 2 කියන්නේ එතන p minus 2 නෑ. එහෙනම් I have to multiply this by p minus 2. Then I will also multiply the numerator by p minus 2. මෙතන p plus 2. So 4 2p minus 2. Now, the common denominator is the same. It doesn't change, of course. So I shall write it as it is. Numerator ගත්තොත් 4 times p is 4p. 4 times minus 2 is, plus 2 is plus 8. Minus 2 times plus p is minus 2p. Minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. Equals 4p minus 2p is 2p. Plus 8 plus 4 is plus 12. Up to this point, is it clear? Up to this point, is it clear? Others, give me a thumbs up. මෙතනට ආවනම් that is enough, but ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේන ඇති මෙයාව තව factorize කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. So I will take it another step. So denominator will be the same, but the numerator here 2p and 12, they both have 2 in common. So I'll take 2 out and I get p plus 6. So this is how we factorize. And this is the final answer. Okay. Okay. 2 minutes for recorrections, or 1.5, I would say. Can you make it fast? Quickly do the recorrections. Okay, Lamai. Did you all finish writing? Shall we move on to what is the other one? I, ne? Other one is I. So, 1 second. Let me get the question to the whiteboard. All right. So, the screenshot didn't come yet. Okay. So we have a squared plus 5a plus 6. And then we have a squared plus 4a plus 3. So here we have to find a common denominator. Okay. Common denominator just like what we were talking about earlier, we just get the LCM. Okay. So a squared plus 5a plus 6. A squared plus 5a plus 6. Okay. So make a factorized Kanvidya. Again, I'm not going to teach you as I said previously because this is something that we have been doing for quite some time. If any of you cannot understand or doesn't remember, record okay. So here this would be a plus 3, a plus 2. Then if you look at the other one, there is a squared plus 4a plus 3. A squared plus 4a plus 3. And that would be a plus 3, a plus 1. So when we get the LCM lamai, api factors tika okkom balana highest power එක. A plus 3 මේ තැන් දෙකේම ඉන්නවා. So it's a plus 3. A plus 2. A plus 1. Okay. And this is the LCM. Is that part clear, Lamai? Getting the LCM or the common denominator, is that part clear? Others? Okay. So our LCM is going to be our common denominator. A plus 3, A plus 2, A plus 1. A plus 3, A plus 2, A plus 1. Now A squared plus 5A plus 6 means A plus 3, A plus 2. So A plus 3 and A plus 2 but A plus 1 net. So I will multiply this equation by A plus 1. So whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do the same to the numerator. Then if you look at A squared plus 4A plus 3, A plus 3 and A plus 1 but A plus 2 net. So A plus 2, I will separately multiply. A plus 2. So the same thing I will do to the numerator as well. I will multiply it by A plus 2. So 3 A plus 1 plus 1 A plus 2. Okay. So the denominator is the same because we are talking about a common denominator. So that should be the same thing. Let's look at how the numerator changes. 3 times A, 3A, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times A is A, 1 times 2 is 2. Then again denominator is the same. 3A plus A is 4A, 3 plus 2 is 5. So this should be your answer. This cannot be further simplified. Is that clear to all of you, Lama? Is this question clear? Give me a thumbs up. All right. Again, 1.5 minutes to copy down and do mistakes. Do recorrections. Make it fast. All right, Lamai. Now let's discuss J. Let me get the question to the whiteboard again. All right. So again, as usual, we are trying to factorize here. So one denominator is 2a plus 1. 2a plus 1, I thought factorize kan puluwan da lamai. What do y'all think? 2a plus 1, can we factorize it further? What do you think? What is it, Basma?
2 into a plus 1.
No. 2 into a plus 1 you can't take. Because 2 into a plus 1, no, that would be 2a. 2 times a is 2a. 2 times 1 is 2. That would be 2a plus 2. But not 2a plus 1. Actually, 2a plus 1 cannot be factorized further. 2a gatat 1 gatat edanage common cut in and no common ones to take out and put brackets. So if you take 2a plus 1, that will just be 2a plus 1. Then a squared plus 3a plus 2. Okay. Now here, when you factorize, you will get a plus 2, a plus 1. So LCM, we should get 2a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 1. So this same LCM, we are going to take it to the denominator, right? 2a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, a plus 1, sorry. So denominator ka mokadda 2a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 1. Like this. Now, 2a plus 1 is already here by a plus 2, a plus 3 මෙතන. So I have to multiply this one by a plus 2 and a plus 3 both. මෙතන මම මේ පැත්තෙන් multiply කරන්න. A plus 2, a plus 1. Give me a second, lamai. Okay, lamai. There's something wrong with Zoom. ළමයි ඔයගලන්ට Zoom එකේ time limit එකක් වෙන්නවද? By any chance? Yeah, no? That's I have Zoom Pro here. And some of you are in yesterday's class, right? Yesterday's science class. Did this happen yesterday, Naned?
No, teacher.
No, yeah. Okay. This is a little weird. But anyways, අපි මේ question එක ටක් ගාලා discuss කරලා I will quickly check what has happened. A plus 2, a plus 1. The time limit is really bothering me when the clock is ticking there. But anyways, a squared plus 3a plus 2, එයාට මේ දෙන්න ඉන්නවා, but මෙයා නෑ. So we have to multiply by that. 2a plus 1. Sorry. 2a plus 1. So we have a plus 2, a plus 1, plus 1 multiplied by, 1 multiplied by, can we, come on, 1 multiplied by 2a plus 1. So here we have so a plus 2, a plus 1, we have to multiply. Right now we know how to multiply these kind of binomial expressions. A times a, we get a squared. A times 1, we get 1a. 2 times a, we get 2a. 2 times 1, we get 2. Plus, Mitana, 1 times 2a is 2a. 1 times 1 is 1. All right. Then, same denominator, a squared plus 1a plus 2a is 3a. 3a plus 2a is 5a. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. මෙයාම factorize කරන්න ගියොත් නම් ඔයගලන් අමාරුවේ වැටෙනවා. Right, because we have not learned how to factorize something like this. So we'll just leave it like this. This is the final answer. Okay. Is this clear to all of you? Give me a thumbs up, please. All right. I'll give you 2 minutes to copy down. While you copy this down, I'll quickly solve this problem. Give me a second. Lama, did you all finish copying down and correcting any mistakes? Okay, now done, Lama. Give me a thumbs up. Hari. So seems like it's nothing that I can control really. May time limit එක යාවේ කියලා because by any chance මොන හරි එකක්ද කියලා මම check කරලා බලුවා nothing as such. So maybe it's a glitch. මොකක් හරි Zoom එකේ issue එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So what we have to do is I think this meeting will end in another 3 minutes. එක හින්දා කොහොමත් end වෙන හින්දා I will end this and I will send you all another link to the group, right? And also for the newcomers, මම ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම ඒ link එක forward කරන්න. Shall we do it like that? So within 5 minutes, can you all join? Yeah? Because එතකොට බලමු මේක හරියට ගිහලා තියෙද කියලා I'm not really sure. Or you can actually join to the same link. No, ළමයි, wait, don't leave. එවපු link එකට කලින් එවපු ඔයගලන්ට LMS ඉන්න ළමයින්ට LMS එකෙන් ආපු link එකක් තියෙනවානේ. And for newcomers, you may have received the link that Miss Divya sent. ඒ link එකටම ආයෙන්න බලන්න. අලුත් link මම එවන්නේ නැහැ. තිබ්බ link එකටම ආයෙන්න. Okay? To the same link come again. I'll end this, huh?